Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back. Today's video we're going to do an update here for VeChain. Right now we're trading at 0.02272. 24-hour volume we are down 31%. Market cap we are just slightly over by 0.01% here. Okay, going into our day chart you guys, we can see a few things already that's occurring. We can see that the flow of the current trend is slowing down, but take a look at how much bullish areas that we have with this current trend dating from June 22nd. However, our RSI we can see is peaking right up here around 100 to 88% with our K and our D line. And what we can actually see is a crossover signifying that it is considered to be overbought. And where the price is laid out is again near our top of our Bollinger Band. So another signal there. So as price is coming out of the 80% and coming back between 80 to 20, we're most likely going to see a retracement on a day chart, okay? And pulling out our fib chart, we can see a few retracement levels. Here's the 23%, and then here's the 38%. One of the things I want to show you in a 4-hour chart before I get into here is we want to make sure we're keeping up the level with 23%. We cannot fall below 2707 here, or we're going to be breaking this key chart pattern I want to show you. So I'm going to quickly scroll over to our 4-hour chart and get into that chart pattern I want to show you. So quickly off the bat, you guys, I'm going to pull out a fib chart. I'm going to pull it straight down to this bottom here. One of the things that we can see with the fib is that we are retracing as soon as we have a high RSI considered to be, overbought. And we see this crossover. We've seen it right here. We've seen the crossover occur right here as we're peaking up to resistance. The price is always coming down to our golden number at 61% of our fib. If you guys can see that, rejection, pull back. As the price is coming up, because we're coming up closer to the 80% here, price is going to come back up. Unfortunately, if we don't see a crossover of our MACD, we are going to get rejected once again. So here is our chart pattern. It's essentially a continuation pattern of the current trend since this break here on our 20 moving average on July 27. Notice how we are always continuously over our 20 MA, initiating that this is the current trend. The bear trend, after breaking through here, these high lows, channel itself broke here, which is the end of a downtrend. Now in a 4-hour chart, we're currently in an uptrend, making a lot of lower high peaks a part of this. So this is a continuation pattern of this bullish trend. What we need to be able to establish here is key number 1, breaking through this resistance line. As the Bollinger Bands are squeezing in, it gives us another hint as well that there is going to be a breakout either on a bullish side or a bearish side, okay? As we are coming up, what the key thing we're looking for is making sure that our MACD indicator signifies a strength on the bullish side. So what we need to see, and this is playing out really nicely so far, is the lighter color showing us another hint that the trend may be over. As soon as these two colors, our MACD and our orange signal line, cross over near a key resistance, it's going to give us enough edge to finally break out. And what we need to be able to see after that is coming up, testing this resistance as support, and then continue on, as this is a continuous pattern of an ascending triangle here. Now, one of the things that we also see too on our RSI that could be alerting you guys is that the pullbacks are occurring very slowly here. So what I mean is, like, here is at 84%, we see a crossover from 66 to 70, our K and our D line crossover, signifying that there is going to be a strong current to sell at this point. And what we see from here is that now our K line is at 72%, dramatically from 84. Normally when we pass, or the white line passes 80, it does signify a signal that it is overbought. But notice that it's decreasing when we're getting closer to the resistance line. So that's one of the things that is very key. As the volume we can see here, pairing it up is slowing down as well. So we're going to have a breakout for VeChain pretty soon. Again, this is going to be our first signal we want to be watching for, is our MACD showing us the trend is over for the bears. If it's not, and it continues to be in the red here, we're just going to be bouncing from here to here to here, and we are most likely going to lose control of our bottom trend line and break on the downside here. So pretty exciting to see. I'm going to do an update here tomorrow on VeChain to see the characteristics of the candlesticks, if there is any, to be able to measure if this breakout is going to occur anytime soon. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.